Right, hello. I am sort of a bit unsure how to start this because I haven't really done this sort of thing before, but we're going to wing it and we're going to go with it. In the background, you can see a Trader 8 100k combine, TOPSTEP 100k combine on Trader 8 that I opened up yesterday. I was about 15 or 1600, I think, profit yesterday. Maybe 17, I'm not too sure, but sort of not too bad. Good start to the account back all the way through. Um, the idea behind sort of making this video in the first place is sort of want to document and maybe have like a journal that I can see back, probably like a bit easier than sort of having like loads of files on my computer and stuff. I just want to sort of upload these and maybe do these like either do it post or I could do it live. I'm debating doing it like sort of live when I'm trading, but we'll see. For now, we're going to do post. I might do live and go from that. I say live, like actual live recording, not live streaming, but maybe live stream. You never know. But in the background, you can see obviously the trade. You can look at daily there. This is sort of the level that I was really looking at. Obviously, I know there's a lot of volume going on, which I know is going to make it a lot harder. But I really wanted to see a pop here. I really thought we might get a new, like when that last candle went on, we were going to get a pop, I thought, or we're going to die, which I was a bit scared of. But obviously we're leveraged into this trade quite hard. We're in 4 contracts, which obviously means that, you know, the dollar's moving quick. But you know, it's one of them. It's one of them. The trade obviously plays out for a while. I'm not sure how long. How long I'm going to talk in this video and how long I'm just going to leave it. Towards the end, I'll just sort of stop the talking and let the video play out, because after this trade there's about 3 or 4 consecutive trades that are quite quick. We get quite a nice easy sort of move that I was like quite liking, so I just sort of kept sort of buying in, selling out, buying in, selling out, like getting in and out the market and making sort of quick money. I think I had one trade that was $900 and something, which was obviously a nice one. Just over 10 points obviously on the when I'm trading 4 lots. But yeah, this is sort of what I'm gonna plan on sort of do this every day. I trade anyway, so I record it anyway, and then just sort of do a quick talk over of it, what happens, document it, and sort of have it either, you know, as something, because why not, innit? I sort of got the idea. I used to watch trades by Matt a lot, but he sort of stopped doing his posts like end of day sort of tidy up, whatever you want to call it. And I also was watching a guy recently called Devon Trades. I think he just stopped like about a month ago. He stopped uploading. He did it sort of for a few weeks and he started sort of got quite a few views. I thought it was quite a very interesting, like the way he trades and the way he sort of talked about his trading. He did his live, which is why I sort of wanted to do it live, but I haven't. I don't know. I'll debate it, but he did his live, and I think that it was very interesting, because obviously when you do a day by day, you get the winners and the losers. It's very interesting seeing someone who doesn't just post winners, because not obviously that's 90% of YouTube. You just see people winning fucking 15 grand in like 10 minutes. It's like, it's not realistic at all. But it's interesting to see someone else sort of at a maybe similar sort of ish level, give or take a little bit, and like be able to see how they're thinking, how they're trading, how they're sort of going into the trades and thinking. I think it's quite cool. I think that's something that I would like to do, is maybe make it sort of where I'm doing it live and I'm recording the same time I'm trading. Sorry, but we'll see. We'll give it a little bit. Have a think over the weekend. This trade obviously goes. He's not doing what I want it to do quick enough, which is what's scaring me in this trade. Which is, I do end up almost killing the trade about 3 or 4 times. I just didn't really want this trade to sort of go like completely rip down, because I was a bit scared if we go down, if we get below this sort of 75 level, 70 level especially, we're gonna rip down to like the 50s, and I don't want to be a part of that. Like, I do not want to sit there and have to sit there and watch this go down 30 points, and that's even if it retracts back up. Like, I'm in such a big size where I was sort of getting a bit wary, which obviously means I do end up killing the trade slightly premature, about a minute I think, and then it completely works out. Completely would have got full take profits, but you know, it's one of them where you can't really do it. It's something that another day this could have gone down and ripped down 20 points, and I would have been sat there upset because I got max lost on the day. So you know, it's part of it. We took our money. We ended up getting the, you know, really good, nice chunks of the move again and the move up. I think we ended up pushing all the way up to about the 50s or the 600s at the end of the day at the time of recording this. But yeah, I'll keep it sort of short with the talking. I'll let the trades obviously keep playing out. I think this is something that I'm gonna obviously, as I said before, I'm gonna plan on doing daily. Makes it a bit easier for me to sort of see where I'm going wrong and what I'm doing and how the trades have obviously been playing out. Obviously I've got the full length ones as well on my computer, but you know, it's nice being able to quickly go on YouTube and see the highlights and see, not the highlights necessarily, but see sort of the actual trades, not the 3 hour or however long I'm on the market. I'm very rarely on the market for more than about 30 minutes. I think today was, I think I was over on the market. I think I got on the market about just after 5 p.m. UK time, and I was off by about 5:40, 5:45. So not too long. Obviously, you'll see it at the top of the screen when I got on and when I got off and stuff. But yeah, we start to obviously push out of this on the ES. That should have been my, like, I don't really know why I killed this trade, because obviously you can see on the ES we're going, and the ES is going to pull the Nasdaq massively. I ended up re-entering. I was debating doing 10 contracts, but I don't think that was well, it would have been fine. It would have been brilliant actually, but I didn't want to risk that much. I was debating doing a 10 lot just to sort of push up and get like a nice big day here, but it's just patience is the biggest thing I think for me, especially after the last 2 weeks. I've had some really sort of stinky trades that have just not been going that well and not doing what I wanted them to do as enough, where I just sort of want to sit there and get my base hits, take my profit and walk for the day. But anyway, I'm gonna end the audio here and just sort of let the trades play out the rest. Do a nice little tick here. So I was quite happy with that. I thought it was a nice trade. But yeah, I'm gonna let the audio play out. If you did enjoy the video or the little VOD, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video, hopefully on Tuesday. Yahoo!